What's going on, everybody? It's Jay here. I'm at work. It's the morning. I'm opening. This is a plant-based restaurant, Asian restaurant, located in my city, Calgary, Alberta. And this is breakfast. So I got some nice pho broth, and I just throw whatever I got on the line. Vegetables, blanched some broccoli. I got some tofu here that I put in there as well. And it is a great way to start the day. I feel like one of those kids at the kids table. So today, if things don't get too crazy, I want to show you a little bit of the day, how the day goes here at the restaurant. Let it sit and steep for a few hours to overnight. It's just going to get darker and more crimson. It's going to be beautiful.